Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Francisco is here with another video, and today we're diving into a common issue that many of us have faced: corrupted or damaged videos on Android devices. We will show you how to repair them quickly and easily using the Dr.Fone app, a reliable solution that's got you covered. So before we proceed, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my tech tips. Now let's get started. Part 1. Introducing Dr.Fone App, your ultimate video repair tool. Now that we've set the stage, let's talk about the solution, which is the Dr.Fone app. This powerful tool is designed to handle a variety of issues that you might encounter on your Android device, and when it comes to repairing videos, it truly does shine. Whether your video is corrupted, damaged, or won't play, the Dr.Fone app has you covered with its intuitive interface and robust features. One of the standout features of the Dr.Fone app is its video repair capability. It supports a range of formats, so no matter what type of video you're dealing with, the app can handle it. From standard formats like MP4 to more advanced ones, you can count on this video repair app to fix it. Here are some key features of the app's video repair tool. Number 1, it supports 9 video formats. Dr.Fone app can repair a wide range of video formats, including popular ones like MP4, MOV, AVI, FLV, MKV, and so many more. No matter what format your damaged video is in, it ensures compatibility and effective repair, offering peace of mind for your media files. This broad support allows you to fix videos from various sources, whether they were recorded on your phone or downloaded from online platforms. Number 2, standard and advanced repair options. Dr.Fone app offers 2 distinct repair modes, which are standard repair for minor video corruption and advanced repair for severe damage. The standard repair mode is quick and works for less complicated issues like playback glitches, while the advanced repair mode dives deeper into more complex problems like broken frames or missing content. The advanced mode uses a sample file from the same device to restore the damaged video more effectively, ensuring that even the most corrupted files can be fixed. Number 3, repair history. Dr.Fone app keeps a detailed log of both successful and failed repair attempts. This repair history allows you to track all of your actions, offering insights into how many videos have been successfully repaired or failed. It's useful for reviewing results over time, ensuring that you have a record of all of your repairs. Plus, it's a great way to understand what kind of issues you're dealing with most often and take necessary steps to prevent future damage. Number 4, file and photo repair. In addition to video repair, Dr.Fone app can also fix corrupted photos or other files. If you've encountered issues with important photos or documents, it provides a versatile solution. This multifunctional approach makes Dr.Fone app a one-stop solution tool for media recovery, ensuring that you can fix not only videos but also photos and even documents, all from the same platform. Now moving on to part 2, detailed step-by-step video repair procedure of Dr.Fone app. Dr.Fone app guarantees that your files are handled efficiently, all while maintaining a clear record of your repairs. Now that we have gone ahead and taken a look at its impressive video repair capabilities, it's time to walk you through the process of using it. To help you out, we'll walk you through the video repair process to ensure that you get the most out of this tool. The first thing that we have to do is install the app and access the video repair feature. To begin, you will need to have the Dr.Fone app installed on your Android device. The process of getting the app and accessing the targeted feature involves going to your device's Play Store to install the Dr.Fone app and opening it once it is installed. On the main screen, tap the blue AI Tools icon located at the center of the bottom toolbar. This will open the list of available tools for you. Now from the Discover section, scroll and tap on Video Repair. This will bring you to the Video Repair interface where you can begin the process. Here you will be able to see the problems the app can fix and the video formats it supports. Next thing that we have to do is uploading and repairing the video. Once you've accessed the video repair section, it's time to upload and repair your damaged video. To do that, you will need to first, on the video repair screen, tap the plus add video button. This will open your device's file manager or gallery, allowing you to select the damaged video that you want to repair. Once selected, the video will automatically begin uploading to the Dr.Fone app. After the video is uploaded, the app will start the repair process automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the repair is complete. If you don't want to wait for the repair to finish immediately, you can tap View Later. Once the repair process is complete, Dr.Fone app will generate a preview of the repaired video. If you're happy with the repair, tap the Save button to store the fixed video on your device. Next is using the advanced repair feature. If the standard repair process doesn't successfully restore your video, Don't worry, Dr.Fone App offers an advanced repair feature to handle more severe corruption. The steps needed to do so involve the following. If the standard repair fails, you will be prompted with an option to tap Advanced Repair. This takes you to a new screen where you can provide additional input to help Dr.Fone App fix your video. Now tap the blue plus button to upload a sample video. The sample should have characteristics similar to those of the corrupted video, such as the same device model, video format, and other relevant factors. The Dr.Fone App will automatically verify the sample video to ensure it matches the corrupted one. Once the sample video is verified, tap the Advanced Repair button to begin the repair process. The next is managing the repair history. Tracking your repair history is a great way to stay organized and monitor the progress of all of your video repairs. Dr.Fone App makes it easy to manage your repair records, allowing you to view the status of ongoing or completed repairs. Let's see how to access and manage your repair history easily. Once you select the video repair feature, you'll see the repair history section on the screen. This is where you can track the progress of all of your video repairs. The repair history is divided into 3 tabs. The first is repairing. This app shows the files that are currently being repaired. You can check on the status of any ongoing repairs here. Successful. This tab lists all the files that have been successfully repaired. You can click on any of these files to save and preview the repaired video to your device. Then failed. This tab displays the files that couldn't be repaired successfully. If you encounter any failures, you can tap Advanced Repair to attempt a more thorough fix. If you want to remove old or unnecessary repair records, tap the Edit symbol in the top right corner of the repair history screen. From here, you can delete any records from the successful or failed tabs. And that's a wrap. Now you know exactly how to use the Dr.Fone app to repair your damaged videos on Android devices. Whether it's a minor glitch or a more severe corruption, the app offers reliable solutions with both standard and advanced repair features. Now plus, with the ability to track and manage your repair history, you can keep everything organized and stay on top of your media recovery efforts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more useful tips and app reviews. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.